Today we're back at Glynllifon College. We were here in February doing some workshops with students and some local businesses. Today is a follow-up to that. So we've spent yesterday adding a load of sensors around the farm. We've developed a dashboard and we're going to be showing that to everyone today.
Be da ni'n trio gyflawni heddiw ydy cyflwyno teclynnau Internet of Things i'r gynulleidfa yma. Mae gennym ni ffermwyr, myfyrwyr, pobl y cyngor sir ac yn y blaen yma. Ac fydda ni'n dangos sut mae ambell i ddyfais yn medru gweithio yn y cyd-destun yma, mewn cyd-destun ffermio, mewn cyd-destun cefn gwlad. A gobeithio cychwyn sgwrs wedyn. A fydd hwn yn rhedeg sy'n flwyddyn nesaf yma. A dwi'n meddwl gyfle allai chwarae hefo'r dechnoleg a dod i fyny efo dyfeisiadau sydd yn atab problemau heria yng nghefn gwlad Gwynedd. A wedyn eitha cyffroes ar gyfer heddiw ac yn ei weld be ddeith o'r diwrnod.
Been working with Mark to think about applications of LoRaWAN on this estate. How can we use technology to measure efficiency, and then that will help us to manage the situation to get more efficiency or be more effective in what we do day to day.
Sy'n wych am dechnoleg ydy, mae o gwneud beth sy'n chi'n alw'n level playing field. Diolch gwahaniaeth da chi'n California neu da chi'n Nifyd. Yr un technoleg ydy o ar un medr sy'n o flaen eich bysau chi wedyn. Felly mae cymryd gafal mewn stwff fel yma yn mynd i wedyn ni fedru cadw wrthi a gwneud y dda yn gefn gwlad Cymru. Heb boeni o da ni'n gorau mynd i ffwrdd i fedru defnyddio technoleg gorau. Mae o yma ar flaen y bysau ni.
We've had a really good day here at Glynllifon. Loads of really good questions from the audience. Lots of them came around to see all the devices that we brought along, which was great. Some really good ideas for how to improve some of them as well, which I thought was really exciting.
The opportunity to see sensors in action on the farms and what's been trialled so far was brilliant to see it firsthand. Once people get to grips with how this technology works, I think provides a great opportunity to develop sensors and develop smarter processes within the community, and it's something that Gwynedd should be very excited about.
Rheswm da ni'n meddwl bod y maes yma o ran rhyngrwyd y bethau yn bwysig efo lot o potensial i ardaloedd gwledig ni, bod yn cynnig cyfle i edrych ar newid sydd wedi drefnu gwasanaethau, sydd wedi helpu busnesau fod yn mwy effeithiol, ond tu hwnt i hynna hefyd mae'n creu cyfleoedd economaidd newydd. So ni wrth yn bodda gweld bod atebion i anghenion o broblemau gwledig yn cael ei datblygu yma yng Ngwynedd, a tra bod ni'n gwychiad i atebion dod o tu allan yr ardal. A dyna pan dwi'n mor bles bod Arloesi Gwynedd Wledig yn gweithio fyny drwy Gwynedd Ddigidol i datblygu y diwrnod yma, ond i fynd ar pethau mellach hefyd i edrych sydd allan datblygu'r potensial yma i'r dyfodol.
It's left me feeling really happy about the potential for the Things Network here in Gwynedd. There's a number of people here that sound like they want to do something. The council's behind them, and it looks to me like it could be a really, really prosperous site.